So today we're going to cook some shrimp on the grill. We've been doing it for the last couple of weeks, different recipes, but we thought we'd give the one from Ohana a try because we really enjoy Ohana. So we're going to make a little Ohana shrimp today. Before I show you the ingredients, I found the recipe online, so we'll link that down below so you can try it out for yourself. So you're going to need 3/4 teaspoon minced garlic, 1/4 cup minced fresh ginger, which is the first time we've used fresh ginger. And so we had to peel it and mince it up, and it smells really wonderful. Also going to need 1/2 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, and also 1 1/4 cup chili garlic sauce. And this is regular, not hot. 1 cup of honey, and 1 cup lemon juice. And then we're also going to add oil too, but we don't want to do too much oil, so we're going to just whisk it in and see what we need. So now I'm going to add the ingredients in the bowl. Mind you, I don't have any fancy bowls, so the plastic bowl's going to do. So that's the garlic. Here's the ginger. We've got black pepper. Let's see, maybe do the honey first. Ooh. Hopefully this tastes good. We're also going to make chicken because Madison doesn't like shrimp. Lemon juice. And the chili garlic sauce. And remember, you don't want it too hot. You want regular hot, not spicy. So I'm going to whisk that all together now. It's like chunky. It looks so good. And if you've ever been to Ohana and had the shrimp, then you'll know this is really good stuff. It also needs some oil. And I'm just gonna, it says 16 ounces, but I think that's way too much oil, and we want to cut back on oil. There it is. What, you think you need more oil? A little bit more. Stir it all up, and then we will get the shrimp. So I put the marinade and the shrimp together in the bowl, and we're going to cover it, and we're going to leave it to marinate for about 4 hours, and hopefully it'll taste yummy. So we let the shrimp marinate for about 4 hours, so now it's time to skewer them and get them on the grill. And I'm going to do about 5 to 6 per skewer, whatever it is called. Skewer. So move them down. I think about 5 is good. So here's all the finished product of the skewers. We got 10.5 skewers of shrimp ready to go on the barbecue.
So with the grill on 300, approaching 350, you want to cook the shrimp for about 4 to 5 minutes each side. So that's what it looks like when it's on the grill. After 4 or 5 minutes, I'll flip them over, and hopefully they have a nice little red tint to them with some charcoal as well. So we'll see how these turn out, and hopefully this recipe tastes good.
So this is the first batch we cooked up of our Ohana shrimp.
All right, give one a try.
And they're hot. Very good. Oh, spicy. Real spicy.
Ronnie, you want to try one? Go ahead.
Woo. You got a little kick to it.
Just a little.
Yeah.
So what do you guys think?
It's good.
Looks good.
All right, so we'll leave the recipe in the link, and the link to the recipe in the description below, in case you want to try it.
Yeah, this is my bowl.
And that's the outcome.
Yep, they're really good. Little kick to it, but it's good.
All right. So like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell. Now it's time to go inside to
Eat.
All right. Until the next vlog.
Bye.